We're Group 307. Antonio, Dennis, and Shaquem. Our topic, acceleration. We'll talk about the concept of acceleration and how it relates to the recording arts industry. We'll do this by way of video clips and a small demonstration. So the question is, what is acceleration? By definition, acceleration is the change in velocity or speed. Now you're going to see an example of the free fall experiment. Now we are going to show our physical performance, car acceleration.
Okay.
This is Antonio Ayala, this is Group 307, and this is acceleration. Now as you see me pressing on the gas, you see we're building acceleration with speed. Now you see when we brake, we lost acceleration. So that is deceleration. But it all ties in together.
How does acceleration relate to the recording arts? Well, speed, rate, time, measure, beat, tempo, RPM, fast forward, and rewind relate to acceleration. In recording arts, the musician, the producer, the songwriter, and the engineer will ultimately revolve every recording session around acceleration. You can't record or write music without it. Tempo is the main form of acceleration the engineer, performer, or songwriter will use. The engineer will know exactly how fast,
going fast, we ain't going slow. No, hey, yo.
Or slow
Bring the cars, baby, I can bring the drink.
a piece of music should be recorded at, rather produced by himself, a songwriter, or the artist being recorded. The tempo standard is set at 4/4 beat tempo, which is 4 beats per measure, and 120 BPM, which is 120 beats per minute. This is usually set by a metronome. The metronome can be heard as a continuous click or beep while recording to make sure the beat stays in line with the tempo and can be manipulated to go faster or slower. This is a demonstration of how acceleration relates to recording arts.
Okay, this is the demonstration for Group 307 on acceleration and finding the tempo. Now we're going to start off with basically putting the beat at 70 and then playing the beat also. So let me start that up. Okay, and that's the demonstration. Now I want to change the tempo and put it to 90 just to change the beat up. Speed up the acceleration. Now we're going to start back from the beginning and play it. You get a more up-tempo beat with this one, like a techno basically. Okay, so you can see basically as far as you changing acceleration to a beat, basically, you're always going to get a different tempo, and you're definitely going to get a different sound. So you're going to get a trill sound with 70 tempo. With 90, you'll definitely get a techno, and this is the same beat, so basically it works both ways.
Once again, this is Group 307, Dennis, Antonio, and Shaquem. showing you how the physics topic of acceleration relates to the recording arts industry and everyday life.